Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can back up or recover your World app account. So you can back up your Worldcoin account by setting up an iCloud or Google Drive backup using the following steps. So first, just open your World app, select the gear icon in the top corner of the screen, then select account. After that, just select iCloud and Google Drive backup. And then in the account backup section, just go ahead and choose between backup with Drive for Android or for iCloud, which is iOS. You may need to sign in with Google or iCloud. So after that, just enter the password and confirm it to back up your account. Now, once these steps are completed, you will have to successfully created a password and backed your account up. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!